Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Honest Company haul, and it is my Honest Company diapers along with some other things. Also, I just wanted to give you a little bit of insight of why I do not cloth diaper anymore. Okay, so I literally just got this in the mail. It is about 7 o'clock at night, so sorry about the lighting. The Honest Company, if you don't know, I'm pretty sure most of you do though, they have it to where you can order monthly, and I believe it's $79.95, and you get 6 packs of diapers and 4 packs of wipes. So here are the wipes, and they are premium plant-based cleansing cloths. There's 72 wipes in each. And like I said, there's 4. And then you get 3 additional items, and I believe it's 25% off per item. So I wanted to get and you can get Honest beauty supplies with that. So I decided to get the Honest Beauty mascara and lash primer. Just to show you, this right here is the primer, and it's white. And then the mascara, it's like that. Sorry about the lighting again. So that's that. So I got 25% off of that and 2 other items, which I will show you right now, and they are the Honest Bubble Bath. I love getting either this one or the unscented one. I love the Dreamy Lavender because I like to give my girls their baths at night, and so I just feel that it helps to calm them. It does say ultra calming, natural, hypoallergenic, and tear-free. So there's that. And then I got some more diaper rash cream. This really does help. I really do like this. Sorry if you hear my dog barking. The neighbor's cat drives him crazy. Anyway, so I'll just show you what it looks like. It's kind of a small tube. It's 2.5 ounces. Soothing relief, zinc oxide treatment, helps heal and protect. And then I will just show you the diapers that I got. I pick the designs that I want, but I don't pick how many of whatever designs I get. So I got 3 of the strawberry print. I think I get that almost every single time unless it's Christmas. And I got 2 of the feather print. Let's see what the actual diaper looks like. And then just 1 of this little kind of rose print. It's really pretty. Just kind of springy. So yeah, that's all. And I also just wanted to talk just for a minute about why I stopped cloth diapering. So I just wanted to get on here and just let you guys know, if you've seen any of my cloth diapering videos, maybe that's how some of you started to watch me, maybe it's not. I have switched over and I now do mostly cleaning videos, but I did start out on YouTube doing cloth diaper videos, which is partly where my name came from, my channel name, Greenish Katie. I do try to do things as green as possible. It just sometimes always doesn't work out that way. However, I did cloth diaper for just about 2 years, and for about a year or so, I cloth diapered 2 babies at the same time during that 2-year span, if that makes any sense. So it was a lot on me, and if you know, I have 2 other children. I have an 11-year-old son, 7-year-old daughter, a 3-year-old daughter, and a 2-year-old daughter. So it was a lot on me. I homeschool my older 2, so I was getting a little bit overwhelmed with trying to do cloth diaper laundry every single day, because I was not able to put it off every other day like I did whenever I was just cloth diapering one baby. And whenever my 3-year-old was potty trained, she potty trained right after she turned, I guess 2. It was like around 2 years and 3 months or something when she was potty trained. So she was actually my earliest child to potty train. But my 2-year-old at the time was under or right at about a year. She had a lot of rashes, and it didn't matter what detergent I was using, it always seemed like she was just getting some kind of rash, especially with Tide, because at that time that's what I was using, because that's what all the cloth diaper gurus said to do, and it was leaving horrible rashes on her constantly. I could not get rid of them, and my 3-year-old was not that way whenever I cloth diapered her. She could handle any kind of detergent. I used Dreft, Tide, Mrs. Meyer's, whatever I decided to use. She did not break out. She did not have sensitive skin. But my 2-year-old has always had very sensitive skin, and I just couldn't do it anymore. Any green-ish detergent that I did try, it started leaving a stink, a very strong smell on all of the diapers, and I could not get it out even if I stripped them, rinsed them with hot water, vinegar, baking soda, whatever, you name it. I tried it. I'm on the Facebook groups. I was on the Facebook groups trying to figure out how to get the stink away, and I couldn't. So I just decided to give it up, and I stopped. And so that's when I started ordering full-time from Honest Company. Sorry if you hear my dog again. So that is whenever I started ordering full-time from Honest Company. Before that, I was ordering once every 6 months, and whenever we would travel, I would use disposables then. But other than that, I was like 98% of the time using cloth diapers. So I just wanted to let you guys know that's why I no longer cloth diaper. I know that a lot of people are very judgmental whenever it comes to cloth diapering. It's either all or nothing. And I did it for 2 years. I enjoyed it, and that's that. I just wanted to let you guys know that's why I order Honest Company diapers, and I love the products because they are 100% natural. There aren't any harmful chemicals or dyes or anything like that in them. I love the wipes. They are better than any other brand I've ever used. So yeah, that's that. Sorry for rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I will see you next time. Bye guys.